Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Zen Vedic provides innovative products for a more stress-free life. Let's know more about it.
77% of Indians are facing some stress-related issues, and most of them were like Gen Z and Millennium people. So it's a really big problem, and I'm also a victim of it. Like in my class 12th, I have too much stressed out. Everybody knows that what is the pressure of the board exams. So I was facing it too, and I don't know how, but suddenly out of the blue, my nana called me and they gave me some ashwagandha tablets and told me the remedies, how to solve the stress-related issues and how to prevent these things and use Ayurvedic things in relieving stress. So when I used those things, I found that they are really helpful, and that is why I decided to make some experiment with these things and make some things out of those Ayurvedic items and ashwagandha. That is how Zen Vedic was born. It's a stress buster kit and packed with everything which you need to find an individual. Stress is a problem which can't be healed with medicines or just therapies. It needs to be reduced particularly. So by using my product, you will get some experience of relaxation and will reduce the cortisol level. Apparently it will reduce the stress, and that is how my product gonna work on it. So it has a lot of things like calming teas, which will be having some spices, ashwagandha, tulsi powder, long and whatnot. And we have some face oil too. It's like a face pack packed with everything natural like multani mitti, chandan powder, ashwagandha and a lot of things too. Then we have some candles. So basically candles are not good for health, but we use soy wax for it. It is most natural wax, and in it we use ashwagandha and dried lavender too, because lavender has a calming aroma that will help you calm down and relax. And as everyone knows, that life is too hectic, but to finding moments of peace shouldn't be so hard. So I want people to enjoy the self-love, that me time. That is why I've designed this box that will give you a whole relaxation time, experience of relaxation. If you use this box, you will get something, and it will have a durability of 15 days as it has those much items in it, and it is just 500 rupees. So it is less expensive, more productive. I have done a survey on school students too, and as I'm a hosteler, I have conducted some events in my hostel. So from there, I got some around 10 to 12 pre-orders, and actually, I have one more marketing strategies of selling my products to corporates as corporate gifting, as everyone knows that working professionals have the highest level of stress. So I have talked some of the corporates like LIC and some other companies too. They have like said to me that they will be using it as their giftings. And I have made my website too, zenvedic.com, and I have a Insta page too. So from there, I will be selling those items. And one more thing, like from now, I only have 2 kits, like an all-in-one stress booster kit and a nourishing food stress booster kit. But for future, I will be introducing more variants of it. So you will get some self-care kit too, and some aromatic kits and whatnot. So my mentor Shivi ma'am, she has helped me a lot from just researching, from finding my idea how to work on it, from researching all the things, from making my pitch deck, from doing market research, everything. My mentor has helped me a lot. I'm just nothing without my mentors. They have helped me a lot. And of course, the incubation center is just too nice for me. Like it is giving me the whole vibe of doing something. Like I'm a corporate person. It is giving me that vibe, that atmosphere to do well on my startup.
So we have established this entrepreneurship courses in collaboration with Kyar Mangalam University, and one of the startup with the name of Zen Vedic, I have mentored this startup. This is started by one of our student Kashish. So, this is basically on the products which were like old age ashwagandha and lavender and all, that how we can use it in the modern context to release the stress and the anxiety which the youth is having. So one day when we started this entrepreneurship program, Kashish is my student, so she approached me that, ma'am, because she stays in a hostel, so she faces a lot of such students who are a lot of very anxious and very depressed because they are staying away with their families, and a lot of pressure of performance, academics, and then social pressure. Now social media is also a pressure for them. So she was like, ma'am, something has to be done, because at one point of time during her class 12th board, she was also very anxious, and this suicidal tendency is not coming up in the youth. So Kashish had this idea, because from her family side, her grandfather and all, they have this business of Ayurvedic herbs and medicines. So, we just thought of that what can be done around it, and then she said that my grandfather had proposed that ashwagandha had that property of anti-stress and anxiety. I mean, it is a stress reliever. So, if something can be done around it, and there are certain other Ayurvedic products which can be used to, create that kind of a rejuvenating experience for the youth, so something has to be done for it. Then we thought of, we benchmark that what can we do it, and then there is this innovative product which she has come out, known as Zen Vedic. So this is a kind of a box which we have created. This box has fuel, the candle which has lavender smells, then these have aromatic teas, herbs. So, and you will not believe, when she just benchmarked within the community, inside her hostel, there were already 10-15 pre-orders from the students that, whenever you launch this product, we are there to buy this. So it was like very hit, and the samples, when it was given to all the students, they were quickly picked up, and everybody was so interested in that. After this, then once got popular with the student community, then we thought that, okay, student is one criteria, but if we talk about the professional people as well, so corporate life is like going through hell these days with the extended working hours, and then the commute time. So work-life balance is already gone for a toll, and then pressure comes from the boss, the performance and everything. So we thought, let us now approach to the corporates, to the the industry which are working 24/7, which have all the pressures of their work, targets and all those things. Kashish went to benchmark with certain companies, such sort of companies, and BPO was one sector where we approached, because BPO is working like 24/7, and then people from their youth and all sort of segments work in that particular industry. And since they have a lot of pressure and their working hours are also not defined, so when Kashish went and talked to their the management and the people on the deciding authorities, they were so excited to know this product that now we are also getting into the corporate deal of this. So for the smaller, maybe a New Year gift or a Diwali gift which can be given to their employees, so even the companies are so excited to it. So I have given up way. Everything was done by Kashish. It was her idea. My mentoring was to just give her a vision, so that the idea which was there in her mind, that if something is there which in my hostel room, if I have something with me which can de-stress me, which can rejuvenate me, I just gave a shape to that idea. I explored that which are the places where it can be launched, and now it has come out beautifully.
I think everyone in this useful world have a problem. Just find the solution and work on it. It is my message to all of them, because India is all about the young generation. If they will work on it, India will go up to the next level. Thank you.